So if this is our feeds, let's talk about, monitoring sort of our brand and where we can set up and see if anybody's mentioned us. So browse all streams here. So Twitter, I can just go at mentions. Anybody mention me? Nobody ever does. I can go Paul Nicholson Facebook page. You want to monitor all these different Facebook page, and any messages I can put in here. Any new messages will show up. I can also put my activity. Other pages I can put. I haven't posted anything, I guess. LinkedIn. Any updates or any scheduled updates I can see from my post here. And I can set it up as ever I want, right? Happy Me Inc. Monitor is a little bit different. I've set this up for the hashtags. So I'm looking for Happy Me hashtag, Happy Me Inc. hashtags on Instagram. So you could again do, say, maybe you're monitoring your customers, or your maybe you're monitoring a certain hashtag. You're monitoring your area. Maybe you just want to. So yeah, let's go.